Hello, everybody. So this first assignment for this week is a review of solving systems. So this first one is what we just finished with, solving systems by elimination. So you have a choice here. You want the coefficients to match but be opposite in sign. So you could either multiply the top by -3, so then this becomes a -6x, so they match but would be opposite in sign. You do it to everyone. Or I would multiply the bottom by 8. So then this becomes -8y. Now, I think the numbers will be big if I use the 8. So I'm going to choose to use the -30 instead. It will not matter. You will get the same solution. So I'm going to distribute that in. So I just check -6, -24, -12. Yep. So then 6x minus y is equal to -13. Add these together. Cancel out. -25y is equal to -25. Divide out the -25, and you get y is equal to 1. So remember, your goal is to get a coordinate. You have found the y value is 1. To find the x value, fill it back into either equation. 6x minus whatever the y value is -13, and the y value is 1. So it's 6x minus 1 is -13. I'm going to add the 1 to the other side. 6x is equal to -12. Divide by 6, and you get y is equal to -2. So remember, your goal was to get a coordinate, and there it is. Okay? So that was solving by elimination. Solving the systems by graphing, remember, you just have to graph them. The y-intercept is -4. So the first thing you're doing is the y-intercept. The second thing you're doing is the slope. -2, if it helps, -2/1. So down to right 1, down to right 1. I'm doing this. Rise over run. Okay, down to right 1. Now, that's plenty to draw the line, but I'm not sure where it's going to hit, so I'm going to go up to back 1. So I'm doing this. Up to back 1, up to back 1, up to back 1. Okay, and then you draw the line. I'll do that in a second. The second one, y is equal to x plus 2. Remember, the coefficient on the x is a 1, so your y-intercept is 2, and your slope is 1. Y-intercept is 2, slope is 1. Up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1. Or down 1, back 1, down 1, back 1. And there's what they're hitting, right there. So that coordinate is -2, 0. And in delta math, the lines will get drawn. Okay, in this one. Okay, see? That's why I extended it, because, yeah. Okay. Graphing this one. The y-intercept is -1. The slope is -2/3. So down 2, right 3. Down 2, right 3. Down 2, right 3. Okay? Or up 2, back 3. Up 2, back 3. Up 2, back 3. Okay? So here's your line. Hey, that one wasn't pretty bad. Wasn't too bad is what I meant. If it's not in slope-intercept form, you need to get it there. So -x, -x, it's a 6. So -3y is equal to -x minus 6. Divide by -3. And you get y is equal to positive 1/3 x plus 2. So your y-intercept is 2. Slope is a third. Up 1/3. Up 1/3. Or, so slope of the third, or down 1, back 3, because that's still a positive a third. Down 1, back 3. There it is right there. So the coordinate where they touch is -3, 1. Okay. Solving by substitution. Remember, they're both solved equal to y. You set them equal to each other and solve for x. So I'm going to add the 3x over. So I get 13x is equal to 39, divide by 13, and I get x is equal to 3. Now remember, they're looking for a coordinate. You only have the x, so take that x and fill it back into either equation. That'd be 10 times 3 is 30. Or if you filled it in this one, you'd have negative 3 times 3 plus 39, which is negative 9 plus 39, which is 30. So you can fill it into either one. Okay, they're both not solved for y. So what you do is, they're telling you y is worth this much. Well, there's a y. Replace it. Substitute it into the problem. So I'm going to write the original equation. Whoops, why I wrote 3, I have no idea. Negative 7x plus 5 times whatever y is worth is negative 27. I know there isn't a parenthesis here, but I'm doing that to show you what to do. In the place of y's right there, you put what it's worth, which is 2x. Now distribute the 5 inside. It's not much of an x. Equals negative 27. Add like terms. Divide by 3. And you get x is equal to negative 9. Remember, your goal is a coordinate. Take that x value and fill it in for x into either equation. It'd be easiest in this one. And you get negative 18. Okay? That's the name of your assignment. Thank you guys for your time. Have a great one.